Hi Anahata Yoga community, my name is Veda Spidle and welcome to Restore Nidra and Sound Healing. For today's practice, we will be on the ground. For the restorative portion, you'll want to have quite a few props with you, a few blankets. If you don't have blankets, bath towels should do just fine. A few pillows and a comfortable surface. That might mean a blanket on a yoga mat, a blanket on a carpet or a rug, something that has a little bit of forgiveness, but still enough resistance for the first pose that we'll be doing. For the Yoga Nidra, for the yogic sleep, you want to find a comfortable place where you can just lay back and relax as if you're going to sleep, but you set yourself up so you can still hear me. So if that's on the ground, that's great. If you want to be in a recliner, that's fine. So just keep that in mind when we do transition into that portion. I will be playing bowls during the first restorative pose, and then I'll be playing bowls again at the end of the Yoga Nidra. For those of you that wish to donate, you can donate to the Seva Project, and this helps to support teachers and staff at Anahata. If you're not able to donate, that's completely fine. Please continue to practice with us as we're here to support each other in different ways. We will start by going into a restorative bridge position. And for that, this one's going to take a little bit more to set up, so this will be the only restorative pose we're doing today. So go ahead and fold a blanket or your towel so it looks something like this. And place that behind you. So if your blanket has a fringe, that the clean end is away from you. Okay. And then you're going to stack another one on top. Right. So creating again that same shape, a rectangle, stacking the blanket. And you'll notice here that I'm alternating the stack with the blanket. So the folded edge, the clean edge here, and then the open edge from the fold. So that just helps for it to feel a little bit more even. Now this is where your pillows come in, or extra blankets. So you'll want to have a pillow. This will go underneath the knees and maybe the feet. So I'm going to place one here, and this will make a lot more sense once we go into it. Okay, so have another blanket and your eye pillow nearby, just in case. And you want to set up this position so that there's space at the back end of your practice area for your shoulders and your head. So I'm going to adjust mine a little bit. Okay. And then you recline back, so you're sitting on that first setup that we did. You recline back so that your head and the back tips of your shoulder blades, or the shoulder blade tips, are at the back end of the folded blankets, and then you drape your legs. So I'm noticing here that I want that pillow underneath my knees. So you might have to readjust, right? Okay, so the spine is supported. The feet, the legs are supported, arms are draped by your sides with the palms up. And you can also put an extra blanket over you or across the hips. Now, if you feel that this is too high for you, go ahead and take off one of those blankets. So you want to feel a little bit of lift at the heart space. So I have a blanket lengthwise along the spine, supporting the back and the hips. And then I have a blanket or pillow underneath the knees, blanket under the back of the heels. So coming into a shape that looks something like this. Back of the head is down on the floor. If you're straight on the floor, make sure you have a little blanket there, just so that your head's not doesn't become uncomfortable laying there for the next few minutes. So you want to have a little bit of softness. Palms facing up. Deep breath in. Let it go. Another deep breath in. Let it go. We take these first few minutes to settle into the space that we're in. Allowing any distractions to fall into the background. Letting the body relax. Taking a moment to acknowledge yourself, that you're here, you showed up for your practice, for your self-care. Energetically acknowledging your fellow yogis, your family, your friends, communities that you're a part of. Feel that connection. Awareness returns to the body. And if you haven't done so already, allow the eyes to close. Putting on your eye pillow if you wish. Settling into the breath, allowing the breath to come and go with ease. Now today I'd like to try something a little bit different in the way that we're starting class. We're going to do 3 ohms, but do them internally. Let the sound resonate inside. So you're not making any external noise. Or not noise, no external sounds. And I'll be doing it out loud for you. Inhale through the nose. Sigh it out. 3 internal ohms. Today our intention is focused around peace. Allow yourself to begin to settle into those quiet, peaceful spaces inside. That place inside that is always there. And as you settle into that space, releasing physical effort, releasing effort with your breath. And with each progressive exhalation, dropping further into that place of peace inside. And let go. Remain still and allow your awareness to return to the breath first. And then to the body. We'll be transitioning into a comfortable resting position for Yoga Nidra, our yogic sleep. So to come out of your restorative bridge pose, gently bend the knees, place the feet to the floor, and then roll over off the blankets onto your comfortable side in the fetal position. Take care to support your head. When you feel ready, you can press yourself up using the strength of your arms, moving the props off to the side. And you may choose to return lying flat on your back, maybe a pillow under the head, and a pillow or layered blankets, stacked blankets under the knees. So go ahead and readjust, cover up in a blanket if you tend to get cold. Grabbing your eye pillow if you want that for Nidra, and setting yourself up. Now allow your attention to turn inward. And bring your attention again to the breath. Feel the body relaxing even more with each progressive exhalation. Let's take a sigh together. Inhale deeply and let it go. Recognize that your body has been a trusted vehicle, creating accomplishments and contributions to the best of its ability. And now it is time for your body to rest deeply. Let go of any struggle or effort to make anything happen. Trust that whatever issues are in the way, that they will be released spontaneously and effortlessly. Let go of all thoughts, worry, and tension. And again, breathe in fully. And exhale with a deep sigh. Let go even more. And feel a deep sense of contentment in your heart. Now bring your intention into your awareness. I am at peace. I am at peace. Feel yourself now in a place that you like to be. A place where you feel peaceful and calm, relaxed and quiet. No concerns about the future or the past. Simply an overwhelming experience of the rightness of things. Perhaps sitting on a beach, watching waves meet the shore. The scent of salt air, the sound of seagulls, or a mossy green forest with tall trees. The smell of wildflowers, a trickling stream. Trust whatever image arises in your awareness. And in this place, choose a comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Perhaps a hollow in the sand that holds your shape, or a soft bed of moss. Let go into it. Surrender the weight of your body, completely supported. No effort or need to hold yourself up. Breathe in the scent, the sight, the sounds of this place. And let the whole experience permeate your entire being, absorbed into each and every cell with each breath in and each breath out. Feeling through bodily sensations what it is to be safe and at peace. Surrounded, protected in this place where you can deeply rest. Feel how restful and calm you are. Feeling more content, relaxed, more grounded than before. And know that you can return to this safe place at any time that you want or need to. With your next exhalation, allow all expression to drop from the face. Releasing the tiny muscles around the eyes. Allowing the eyeballs to rest back in their sockets. Releasing the tiny muscles around the mouth and behind the ears. The tongue resting in the mouth. The lower jaw gently opening and softening, allowing the cheeks to soften towards the floor. The scalp resting on the skull. The neck softening and easing. Simply be available to the entire range of sensations in the face and head. And now drop into a sense of your whole bodily presence. And embrace this present moment's experience undistorted by what you like or don't like. Let go of what is going. Let come that which is coming. And this becomes your connection to Source. Feel your outward attention moving inward. And release any struggle to make anything happen. Relax. Relax even more. And feel a deep sense of stillness and peace expanding everywhere. As we enter this next phase of Yoga Nidra, remain as motionless as possible. If you need to move or make an adjustment, do so mindfully, and return to stillness as soon as you are able. Resolve to remain awake, staying in touch with the sound of my voice. And allow your entire body to respond to my words directly and non-mentally. Allow any disturbances, external or internal, to draw you more deeply within. In Yoga Nidra, you enter the subconscious pranic field, the energy field. Let your mind merge and melt into the energy body and go beyond the boundaries of the body and the mind. Now shift from thinking and doing to feeling and being, and do absolutely nothing from now on. Simply relax and drop into the deepest state of tranquility, stillness, and peace in the third eye. Now follow my guidance as we begin the mantra breath. Breathing in fully, let the belly rise on the inhalation. And as you exhale, let the belly fall as you complete the outgoing breath. On the inhale, the belly rises. On the exhale, the belly falls. Continue with long, slow, steady breaths, emptying the lungs completely. On the next in-breath, silently breathe in the word peace to yourself 3 times until the lungs are full. On the next breath out, silently repeat the word peace until the exhalation is complete. Breathe in peace, peace, peace. Breathe out peace, peace, peace. And continue until I ask you to stop. Breathe easily and naturally as you repeat. Peace, peace, peace. Deeply engaged and completely absorbed. Feel every cell of your body receiving this word. Peace, peace, peace. Now breathe normally. And notice how the energy of this word is transmuted into sensations in the body. Let go into it. Let go into the silent stillness expanding everywhere. And drop into that silent space where all doing stops. Let go. Let go even more. Follow my guidance now as we move our attention through different parts of the body. As I guide you from point to point, remain in non-doing, silent awareness. Resolve to yourself that you will stay alert and awake. Now bring your undivided attention to the brow center, the third eye, pit of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, middle of the chest, right side of the chest, middle of the chest, left side of the chest, middle of the chest, navel point, middle of the pubic bone, right hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, left hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, ankle, knee, hip, middle of the pubic bone, navel point, middle of the chest, pit of the throat, and back to the brow center, the third eye. Gather your attention at the brow center and let the non-doing presence fully manifest in your brow center. Observe the vast stillness, peace, and silence. Resting in this vastness, allow whatever comes into your field of awareness to be present without comment or judgment. Witness it as it floats by like clouds in the sky. Feel yourself open and allowing, steady and centered. And rest back, empty, like a blue sky. Pure capacity for experience to move through. Every cloud that comes eventually goes. And as the sky, you can let it come and you can let it go. You know this place. It is the part of you that can never be diminished or destroyed. Pure, steady, timeless, like the sky itself. Rest here. Recognize whatever has happened in your life has already gone, already passed. You are here. Just be here in this moment. At this time, allow the wisdom of the body to release what it no longer needs. You don't need to hold it any longer. Give it to the sky to hold for you. Your life experience has the power to help you become who you are meant to be. Let this knowingness permeate every part of the body, sending an ever-expanding sense of peace throughout. Bring your attention to the center between the eyebrows and drop into the deepest level of relaxation right now. Here there remains nothing to do or achieve as you have entered the domain of grace. In this domain of integration, you are witness of all that is happening, but doing nothing to make it happen. All that can never be done by your doing can happen only in the non-doing presence of your being. Feel completely safe, comfortable, and at peace as you hand yourself over to the power and protection of presence. Feel it. Experience it. Be it. Hand over all fear, apprehension, and anxiety about all that you want to change, control, and manage. Let go of all doing and replace it with trust and faith in the higher power. Let your mind merge and melt into this presence and enter the sanctuary of silence. Feel yourself as time transcendent presence right now. Here, your intention and your affirmations are actualized and fulfilled with effortless ease. Now bring your intention into your awareness. I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. Allow this intention to go to the deepest levels of recognition with no hesitation. Go deeper into the third eye, the mysterious command center, and let it carry out your intentions, prayers, and affirmations. Know that you are established in that part of your being where your intentions are actualized and fulfilled with effortless ease. In the third eye, you are empowered to create what you pray for, visualize, and affirm. And your prayers and intentions are carried out at the deepest core of your being. Feel your intention is now being assimilated and adopted by all levels of your body and your being. Completely integrated, totally digested, and fully actualized. Establish yourself firmly in faith and trust to receive the grace, protection, and guidance of the higher self within you. The more often that you go to your source, the easier it will be to return there, and the longer you can stay there. Feel the presence of your own spiritual guides surrounding you and blessing you. Accept their blessings and grace. Embody it and spread it wherever you go. Establish yourself in total trust and faith that remains free from any need to be in control. Feel totally unburdened and free to move in life with effortless ease. Feel energy and grace fill you and surround you at all times. Return to the third eye, where energies from all the meridians come into deep unification, integration, harmony, and balance. Knowing that you are soul, you can witness life's experiences and let them pass by. The right response and the right actions will come through you. With that clarity, keep your heart open to all conditions. If there's any guidance to be received at this time, either as a felt sense, words, or images, allow yourself to receive it now. Otherwise, simply rest back in the grace and protection of presence. Now begin to become aware of the rising and falling of the breath. And slowly feel yourself beginning to rise to the surface of awareness. Sense the body resting. The quality of the air as it touches the skin. And you may remain still. Or keeping the eyes closed, you can gradually shift to lying on your comfortable side in the fetal position. Take your time. If you're not already there, slowly turn onto your comfortable side and curl into the fetal position. Feel the safety, peace, comfort, and protection of the womb of existence. And bring your intention into your awareness once again. I am at peace. Become aware of your body and bring a deep sense of peace and contentment with you as you bring your attention back to the body. You may remain as you are, or keeping the eyes closed, slowly bring yourself up to a comfortable seat. Notice how relaxed the body is, how soft the breath is, how silent the mind is. And know that you can easily enter here again and again. I invite you to bring your hands together at heart center. And we'll close with a single sound of Om. You may do it silently or out loud. Receive your breath. Om. Bowing head to heart in honor of each other, ourselves, and this practice. Thank you so much for showing up for yourself, energetically supporting each other, and for giving me the honor of guiding you in your practice. Namaste.